From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the WTI, the U.S. oil market. You can see that we have rallied quite significantly to gain a little over 4% for the day. That being said, looks to me like we're going to see a little bit of resistance here. I don't hesitate to fade short-term rallies. Bit of a hammer here comes into the picture at 95 to 90, so I think it's probably about as ugly as things get right now. The upside, you've got to worry about this previous uptrend line, so I think that comes into the picture as well. Keep in mind that the 50-day EMA is sitting right there also, so I think it's going to be difficult to get above here. More likely than not, we've got a scenario where we are going to grind sideways, try to figure out what to do with ourselves, and go from there. If we break down below 90, look out below. A lot of the bullishness during the day is probably going to be more or less of the reaction to Saudi Arabia just not giving in to Joe Biden coming over for the meeting and begging for more oil. And as long as that's going to be the case, I just don't see how things change anytime soon. After all, this is a market that has a lot of different things moving at the same time. I mean, it's, you've got to worry about the war between the Russians and the Ukrainians, so that's a supply issue. You also have the U.S. not producing as much as it once did. Quite ironically, the solution to this would be to fly to Oklahoma or Texas, maybe North Dakota, and ask for more oil, but that's not what's going on. So I think the market is kind of sussing this out. Now, whether or not the lack of demand becomes an issue is a completely different question, and that's where this area comes in. So that's why I think even though it's been very bullish, we still have some sideways grinding.